Good morning, it is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I hopefully capture some live trades. It is 8:25 a.m., so still another hour and 5 minutes before the market opens. HLT, though, in the pre-market is showing quite a bit of activity, so potentially a pre-market trade here. I do have an order out at 77.45. Well, now it's starting to pull back here, but you never know, maybe we'll capture a super early pre-market trade, but I figured I'd get the video rolling and we'll see what happens. I should quickly note that I make no promises that I'll even come close to having this be filled on live video. I'm doing customer service stuff. I'm doing a million other things right now, so I'm only very temporarily watching this. So at least it's documented, and we'll see if I actually capture it or not. But there's a high chance I may not, but at least you've seen me put it out there. Market opens up here in now 2 minutes, so nothing ever happened. What I'm going to do is throw out kind of an order out on HLT at 78.15. Currently, HLT isn't even close to that, but I'm not going to watch it out of the opening gates. I'm actually going to watch SPPI. I traded this one yesterday, and I was hoping it'd have a little bit more volume this morning, but not quite there right now, but it is a mover, and it can move pretty quick. So we'll see if this seems to present any opportunities or not. But at the same time, like I said, I am going to have that order out there for HLT. So who knows, that might light up green, which means I get filled while we're watching this one. But that is going to be the plan of attack, and less than 2 minutes before the open. Move HLT up to 78.15. It's approaching a potential break of 78. We'll see if it can break through there. Have an order out to short CBAY at 13.65, but for now we'll keep an eye here on HLT. See if it can break through 78. This one can be very jumpy, so I'd like to see a pretty quick jump up to fill me if it can break 78. So we'll see what happens. All right, have an order at 13.75 on CBAY. Let's see if it can get up there or not. Got up as high as 67. So let's see if it can get up to 75. All right, I'm going to change it now. Let's go 85. Remember, I am looking at other things outside of what you see on the screen. So just seeing a couple other dynamics that make me want to change it up to that level. So 1385 be the first entry point. So it just hit 75 exactly. So right now looking like I was wrong to have changed it. But we'll see. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. Have an order out on LEDS for 1,000 shares at 727, but currently watching CBAY. So keep an eye down here on this portion of the screen. If that turns green, that means I'm getting filled. But right now, keeping an eye on CBAY. Move my order up to 13.95. So let's see if it can get up there or not. I will keep you updated. All right, making a move up to potentially get up to 13.95. I do want to put an order at 14.15 and 14.20. And 14.25 in the event it really makes a big move up, but first it's got to get up to 13.95, so we'll see if it can get up there or not. All right, this one's looking like it's wanting to roll over, so I'm going to go for 1,000 shares here at 13.65. Okay, got all those. And if it wants to roll over, perfect. I will look to take some off at 13.51, but if it wants to move upwards, then I will gladly build into that, but I wanted to get my feet wet with this one. So let's see how things go here. I will keep you updated. All right, got some at 13.95. Let's see if I can get some more if it breaks through 14. Putting out some orders down there. Just 1,500 shares on a a sub $15 stock, so not many at all. So I did scatter out some orders down at 1370 would be, if it can hit there, that'd be the first area where I start to pull in some profits. Okay, there's the break of 14. Got those 14.15s, 14.20s, nice, nice. Nope, didn't quite get the 25s, but I want some of those at 20 if I can get them. Okay, threw out some more cover orders down there below 14. See enough, nice, got those. Good, gonna be able to build up here. This is what I wanted. 1435, let's go to 1340, 1445. Putting some cover orders out down there around 14. So now if it can break down through 14, that is where some gains would be beginning to be locked in. It's kind of a mouthful. So again, 14 is kind of that key number right now. Maybe I'll do this. So if the price can break below that green line, like I said, that's where the profits begin to come in. But it's got to get below that green line. And right now it doesn't want to drop below the green line. Okay, there is a little bit of a drop, so I got some off. And that didn't last too long, and it quickly snapped back up, but I did pull some profits off the table. So looking like I may be able to add some more now. Let's see if it wants to get a little bit more of an authoritative type break of 14 this time. Let's try in. It is trying. There's the break. I have some order at 95. Those ones were all out. So I have 600 shares left. And with those, I'm just going to get out there. 30, yeah, botch trade. That was a rollover I was looking for. It's starting to head back up, and it may pull back here still. But yeah, total botch trade. And as much as I don't want to, and there, botch trade to the max. So, but like I said, it was pulling back. I want to see follow through on that move. I didn't get it. It started to bounce back up. So for those final 600 shares, I ended up taking a loss on those, which is why only up 38 on it. So with commissions and stuff factored, I don't know, maybe I'm up 20 bucks on that trade. So, yep, a botch trade, and Wow, this video is at 10, but that's all right. That'll be in a sick and twisted type of way, I guess, from a live trade video. I guess I'm kind of pleased with that, just to show what I think that'll be the title to a botched trade, because that's exactly what happened there. However, with that being said, if this does want to get moving again, I'm willing to start the process right up here at 1435. So yeah, maybe it'll get back up there or not. I will keep you updated. Okay, it's going for 35. Can it actually break? There's the break. Okay, good. So I got that first allotment at 35. Let's go to 65. Okay, out for $50. So quick trade right there. We'll look to start the process again at 1465 if it wants to get back up there. So we'll see what happens. All right, maybe 1465 is going to come into play here. Trying for that break of 1450. I'll keep you updated. All right, change my order to 1475. It's looking like that could be in play here. So let's see if it can move up to 75 or not. Where are we at? 11 minutes on the video. Well, looking like another long one. That's all right. I kind of feel like I need to redeem myself a little bit after that first, just, I guess you can call that trading. All right, seeing some other things that makes me want to change this to 85. So 1485, new order here. As a reminder, like I said, there's more stuff that I'm looking at that you cannot see. So I'm making decisions based off more than what is currently on this portion. I am working with multiple monitors. So let's see if it can get up to 1485. Oh, come on. Not a fan of the... So got to go up to 95 now. So let's see if it can get up there. I'm going to pause. All right. Well, it was at 90, and that quick back down. So let's see if it can get up there to 95 or not. This would ended up pulling back, so I'm just going to call it a video, and sloppy trading, a botch trade. I don't know what I'm going to call it, but it is what it is. I realize I'll probably get some interesting opinions from the armchair traders down in the comment section, but that's fine. I probably deserve it. But yeah, in the spirit of keeping it real, sometimes trades just go this way, and you know, by no means does it make you a bad trader. I would say it makes you a normal trader. I mean, obviously, it's not an excuse on my part to just, but I mean, sometimes you just have sloppy trading. Sometimes you just have botched trades where, that could have been a whole lot better. But you're not alone, I guess, is the kind of the point. And the moral of the story here is, hey, it happens to everybody. It's happened to me. And I'm just going to happen to share it with you, where, you know, a lot of the late night infomercial marketing traders out there probably want it, but, you know, it is what it is. Now, if you're interested in, or let me say this first, I'm all flustered right now because I'm frustrated at myself right now, because I'll be the first. When I hit the record button on these videos, I'm doing it because I see price action out there that I think can produce a great video. And this was not a great video on my part. So, I mean, yeah, a little frustrated. But anyways, if you want me to keep making these, the easiest way to communicate that to me is click that like button and subscribe to the channel. There are a lot of other live trade videos where you can see that I actually kind of do know what I'm doing at some point. So if you look back through the playlist of the other live trade videos, you'll see that. If you are, like I said, you like these, just click that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you want to trade alongside me and other traders, which sounds kind of goofy, dude, why would I want to trade alongside you? You suck. Well, if you do just happen to want to, you know, maybe just give it a chance. Claytrader.com. I offer a private trading group there. That's $99 per year, not per month, per year. And then finally, if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts, again, you can go to claytrader.com. I offer many online training courses on that. So yeah, it is what it is, but be hard on yourself, but not too hard on yourself, because sloppy trading, botched trades do happen. That's part of trading. So yeah, you don't want it to become a routine thing, but don't be too hard on yourself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.